$190. I got a box in from Late Model Resto. Not sponsored. I won a contest from Brew2l, and I figured I'd show you what I got. Alright, I got these for the new edge. They're a little too big, but I gotta get the right size. Alright. Got this because the old antenna broke off in there. So I got that to replace it with. And I also got an 8-inch antenna to replace it. And for this car, our new LX badge and a new door handle for the passenger side. It's been broke for a couple years now, so about time I got a new door handle. And I just want to thank Brew2l for the win of the gift card, and everybody for watching. Trying to get another video on this car coming soon. But for now, I just wanted to show that. Alright, I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.